Hello everyone, I am Manlangit Francis Lee, a third-year college taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Sciences. And welcome to my e-portfolio. Why is it essential to integrate technology into education? As an advocate for innovation in education, I believe technology integration is vital for several reasons. It provides access to a wealth of resources and collaborative tools unavailable to previous generation, enriching learning and enabling deeper exploration. It equips students with essential digital literacy skills crucial for future success. It transformed the classroom into a dynamic and engaging learning environment through interactive tools and virtual experiences. Fostering a lifelong love of learning, technology is not merely a tool but a powerful catalyst for creating a more effective, engaging, and equitable education. Believing integrating the technology in teaching and learning is crucial for empowering students and enhancing their learning experiences. In this portfolio, I will explore the transformative role of technology in modern education, focusing on innovative tools for teaching, learning, and assessment. Thank you.